fresh from the mountain waterfall. Hi, my cousin Lucky took me, my dad, and my brother to Pikkan Falls in Dingras, Ilocos Norte. My uncle Claro and the bodyguard came. So we're trying to look for the waterfall after we pay. And so we're trying to look for the waterfall. And someone is singing karaoke while we're coming in. And there's the waterfall.
Okay.
Now we're leaving, and the guy singing the same song like when we were entering. There's my dad and the papaya, my brother. That's my uncle Claro. And the bodyguard Arrow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.